Marvel Ant-Man. This is Ant-Man. This is Scott Lang. Scott is Ant-Man. Ant-Man is a superhero. Scott was not always Ant-Man. He was once a thief. Scott stole to support his family. Scott wanted to teach his daughter right from wrong. He decided to stop stealing. He went back to school to study science. One day, Scott met a scientist named Hank. They talked about science. Hank gave Scott a special suit. Scott tried it on. Scott shrank to the size of an ant. It was fun at first, but then ants chased Scott. Scott got big again and saved himself. Soon Scott found a way to talk to ants. Then they were his friends. Scott became Ant-Man. Ant-Man fights super villains. Ant-Man uses the ants as an army. Now Ant-Man helps the Avengers. Being small helps Ant-Man do special things. Bad guys cannot see him coming. Ant-Man can fit in small places. Ant-Man can surprise bad guys. Ant-Man likes working with Iron Man. Ant-Man and Iron Man make a good team. Ant-Man is very strong. Ant-Man can turn from big to tiny. Ant-Man fights for good. Ant-Man has lots of superhero friends. They help each other fight the bad guys. Ant-Man is a true hero. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. See you next time.